Welcome to the second in the series of quick hitter bash script Lego blocks. I like Lego blocks. I think it's a good analogy for what we're doing. In this one, we're going to go through a couple ways to create a file. And we're going to do one just, if you need to create a file as part of your bash script, how to do a static one, how to take an input, and then how to read something. So really depending on what you want to do, you're going to go over a few things and then have an index.html file. Pretty basic, just so we can see that. All right, so the first one, to see we have new file here, and I'm going to copy and paste. So bin bash at the top, going to state what it's doing, so just best practice. This is going to run, so you'll see set and then -eo-o pipe fail, so it's going to fail if there's an error. You can look at the differences between that, but if you're watching an intro video, you probably don't need to worry about it yet, but really interesting to dig deeper into and figure out why this is going on. And then what this is going to do, it's going to cat this out and it's going to send this into index.html. You'll see a lot of this alligator EOF, and then it's actually directing it to index.html. And then this at the end. This is the syntax for it. You can go a bit deeper if you'd like, but the basics, you just want to get up and running. This is going to get you there. It's going to create a very basic index.html file in this directory with test page, title, and then hello world. So let's run. We'll see index.html here. Let's pull it up. You can see it is right up here and you see hello world. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to delete this. And then we're going to create another one. Let's get going on this one. So this one's going to take an input from the command line and it's going to create a new file with that conditionally. Right, so we'll see bin bash, create a file, custom input. So this is the same thing, and then we're going to see a couple little differences. We're going to import a name. So name equals, and this is the first input. So $1 means first input after the calling the script. And then we're going to add this variable name up there. Okay, great. So let's make this executable. Then we'll run file, and then for name, we will do one of my dog's names, Rupert. So we've created this new index.html file and it says hello Rupert. And then if we refresh this, we're getting hello Rupert. All right, one more. Let's delete this again. Let's do this. All right, so we're going to read with an input here. So I'm going to copy and paste this also. This has been deleted. All right, so similar, bin bash, all the things we're used to seeing, pipe fail. We're going to prompt the user for the name to start. So I'm going to ask what's your name, and then you're going to read it. So whatever they input, that's going to be what they read. And then once you have name set, you're going to actually import name and put it in the file down here. So let's run this. This is read new file. Great. And save it. And then we'll do my other dog's name, Roger. And then we have this done here. Wonderful. So hello Roger, and we've created 3 different index.html files. Again, it's going to be, you're going to cat this entire thing out is what's happening. So you're catting this out, and you're going to have this, the bookends here, for what you're doing, and then you're sending it into index.html. So those are the important things to know. Really just copy and paste this, and you're off to the races. There's your Lego building block. Hope that helps. Another thing you also could do would be, something like this once you've successfully done it. So there is some input. I did notice that there was it's pretty boring once you finish it, and then you see it there. So something like that, something you can add in, but this is really that Lego building block to get you going.